Fitbit Charge 5 Health and Wellness App. The pros, the cons. Most people focus on steps, but the Fitbit Charge 5 Health and Wellness app goes far beyond counting. You won't believe how much insight it can give into your body both day and night. Starting with the pros, the app pairs with the Fitbit Charge 5 to track heart rate, sleep, activity, and stress levels. One standout feature is the daily readiness score, which tells you whether your body is ready for a workout or needs recovery. It combines sleep, heart rate variability, and recent activity to give a personalized recommendation. The app also offers guided workouts, meditation sessions, and even nutrition tracking. Fitbit Premium adds deep insights into sleep stages, oxygen saturation trends, and cardio fitness levels. For example, users can see exactly how much restorative sleep they're getting each night and receive tips to improve it. Another advantage is its integration. Fitbit data syncs with Apple Health and Google Fit, allowing you to see all your health metrics in one place. The app also motivates users with challenges, badges, and social features that make wellness more engaging. On the downside, many features require a premium subscription, which can add up over time. Some users find the abundance of metrics overwhelming, especially if you're new to fitness tracking. Finally, battery life can drain faster when all tracking features are enabled. In conclusion, the Fitbit Charge 5 Health and Wellness app is an impressive tool for anyone serious about understanding their health. With advanced sleep analysis, stress management tools, and personalized readiness scores, it provides actionable insights that go far beyond simple step counting. While some features are behind a subscription, the overall value for improving daily wellness is substantial.